Trisha, I have one more question to ask from you. Like, people always want to know about the campus, the safety, correct? So, you as a female student who have already been here for 6 months, how do you feel about the general life inside the gates of JGU?
So, sir, inside the gate of Jeju, it's a whole different world. Like,
What does that mean?
like with safety, it's extremely good. Like, you won't feel unsafe inside the campus.
Okay.
My parents are always like, if I go outside the campus, they'll call me every time, where are you, when will you reach campus? And the one step I'm inside the campus, they are like,
They stop calling you.
yeah.
Okay, so you are saying that it's absolutely safe inside the campus, right? What is your personal opinion on the gate pass system that each and every time if a student has to apply for a pass, what is your permission? Should it be there or should it not be there?
Should definitely be there, because as I'm a postgraduate student, so we don't need permission from our parents every time, but yeah, for night time we definitely need it. But I think it's good for us. If we are going outside, our parents are knowing that we are outside, then they'll be aware. Okay, so I feel it's good.
Yes, even I do feel that it's a very important step towards safety. Friends, I just wanted to bring to your attention that in the campus of JGU, it is very, very important that any student who is a part of JGU campus, if you want to go out, there is a proper mechanism in which you have to seek a formal approval either from your mother or your father in the form of a gate pass, which does mention about even the timings when you are out, right? So this is nothing but this is a safety measure in terms of knowing who is out right now. So you don't have to worry about it. We all are responsible people, you all are adults, and we believe that freedom comes with responsibility. So when you have freedom, you have to act more responsible as well. Okay, great. Tell me something about your MBA classmates.
Classmates, so it's really good class, like very diversified, and people are from north, some from east, west, south. Like,
Did you expect such kind of diversity?
not at all.
Not at all.
No.
Okay, so when you were pursuing your BBA over there, what was the general kind of the classmates you have?
Generally, they were from like near states, not too far. Like, there were just 2 or 3 from Delhi.
Okay,
Yeah.
and rest all were from neighboring places. So here you found a totally different culture altogether.
Yeah.
Okay, my next question. I have often heard that all the students in JGU, they share triple sharing room accommodation, or the PGs have 4 rooms, friends, right? It is in such a way. So how has been your relation with your friends? Is staying with 3 more girls so challenging, or was it easy? And if it was easy, what you liked about it? And how did you or maybe your other friends aligned with the system?
So, sir, before coming to Jindal, like, my mindset was also like, how will I manage with 3 more people? Like, we as a student, we think like the lesser number of roommates, it's better. But after coming here, what I saw, there are 3 people and I can interact with them. Like, they're so supportive. Like, we interact randomly. If we don't have anything to do, we sit in our room itself and we do a party or something. We eat, we bring something to eat, and we have conversation together.
So there is no problem. There is enough of space.
Yes.
There is.
It's a very huge hall, and with the attached washrooms also. So it's
Okay. So Trisha, would you like to give some message to any audience who are watching you today, and the students particularly who are thinking to start their MBA journey, about anything which you want to say from your side?
So I'll say, don't hesitate at all before coming here. You need to attend classes, yeah, that is necessary because 75% is mandatory here. So you need to attend class, but at the same time, you'll have fun here.
So what is life outside classroom?
So life outside classroom, it's everything is fun. Like I love everything about here.
What do you do after classes?
After classes, we can like hang out to the crossovers, and also sometimes I go to gym. Like I've recently started gym,
Okay.
so I go with my friends. Sometimes at the morning, sometimes evening. Like it's never.
The physical fitness is also on the mind, right? Okay, great.